We live in a world where many young people in this generation are told of what they cannot do instead of being reminded of what they can become. That is why my advocacy is about empowerment of the youth to believe with themselves, to believe with their potential, and create opportunities for themselves and for others who surrounds them. Because I believe that talent is everywhere, but opportunity that kill their dreams are not. There are many young individuals in small communities who only needs one chance, one hope, and one person who believes in themselves that could create a future for themselves. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang tunay na tagumpay ng isang tao ay hindi nasusukat sa kung anong narating o ano ang antas mo sa buhay. Bagkus kung ilang tao ang iyong natulungan at ilang tao ang iyong naiangat. Maraming salamat po. Jenor Gabriel Hortizuela, 22, Mayamot, Antipolo.